Hey y'all, how you doing? This is another video from your girl Denisha. So this was when I bleached my hair. Yes, I did it myself, and I was going for a particular look, but because of the other dyes that were in my hair, it gave me this color. Well, this is a simple wash and go, and that's me putting in all the mousse, all the curling mousse, all the oils and everything, because when you bleach your hair you have to make sure that it is hydrated and that it is well conditioned. So that's me just putting in everything. Stay tuned for the end result. Wait for it. Wow. Please comment below and tell me how you love this look or enjoy this look. Thanks for watching.